Hi, my name's Andy Blanks and today I'm here with Carl Rogers and we're going to make a video on how to use a wall anchor without the wall anchor drill. Partially because we're struggling to source the drills at the moment because it's obviously very early days, and partially, say you've gone to fit a kitchen in Inverness and you come from Cornwall and you get up there and you say, "Dave, where's the wall anchor drill?" And he says, "Oh, I left it in the other pocket, in the other trousers." Then you're going to need another option to drill out the hole. So what we're going to do, instead of using the normal wall anchor with the flat bit in the middle of the drill, we're going to start off with the flat bit and we're going to make a hole first for the 25mm part of the wall anchor, the packer. So just go in with that until it touches the blockwork. Until it touches the blockwork. Change the drill over from the 25mm flat bit for a 7mm masonry bit. This is on blockwork anyway, so any 7mm bit would probably do. Then the point of the flat bit has marked the wall behind for the centre of the 7mm masonry. So put that in. Drill out that hole. And then carry on the same as normal with the wall anchor. So reverse the wall anchor into the hole, like that. Put your packers on, your washers. That's not deep enough. So that one, the two smaller ones. Test the depth, so that's right, that's flush with the board at the front. Turn it round, put it into the hole. So that's it fitted, but just using those two rather than the wall anchor. Cut the screws, crack it. There you go. Wall anchor saves the day again.